hard to work when you got a bunch of bees flocking on your equipment. And they're everywhere. I hope I don't squish them. So you can't make this stuff up. I'm on my excavator operating. These bees are hanging out. And the queen, she's right in there. I don't know if you can see her, but let me see if I can't move them around a little bit. I think we can save this hive. Where'd she go? There she is, right there, right there, right there. That's her right there. All right, we gotta capture him. We gotta go. No, don't go in there. Don't go in there. Don't go in there. Don't go under. Oh, we gotta get her. She's running. I don't want her to get in my machine. All right, gotta go. All right, so I found the queen. I put her in this grease box. So now I'm trying to get all these bees, get as many bees as I can to go in there. Now, I've never handled bees before. I'm hoping they'll find her. See, take these little guys. Come on, get in there. I don't know if you can see in there, but she's in there. Now we're going to get a cooler and try to put as much in there as we can. Trying to get as many bees as I can to go in there. Come on, y'all need to find your... There you go. Oh, look at them, look at them. Look, they're all running in line. They know where to go. It's like they're communicating. Look at them. Once they figured it out. Look at that. That is awesome. All right, I'm gonna get some more comb.
This is the biggest one I could find.
That'll work. At least get them home.
Oh yeah, you should.
Let me see if I can't go get some off this tree. All right, let's see if we can't get these guys in here. There we go. You're starting to get it. Yeah, look at all of them go. They're figuring it out. so hard not to flinch. Thank you. Well, that's quite a few. I don't know if you can see all of them. It's a good start. We'll set it on the excavator. Maybe we'll catch some more. All right, let's get the rest of this comb. Set them in here. I don't know how I'm gonna get these in here without destroying them. This one. This one. I don't think I could be doing this if it was in the summer. All right, it's quite a few pieces. Put these over here. There we go. Yeah, that's enough fun for one day. Got my bees in here ready to be transferred to my father-in-law. They've been inside here all night. They're pretty active. They got warmed up. I don't know if I can crack this. Maybe you can hear. Yep. Ooh, they're pretty busy. Not going to open that up. Well, hopefully the hive makes it. And I'll have my own hive next year. Yeah, we'll take them, put them in a box, plenty of food, and give them the best chance they can. All right, thanks for watching.